Remember when they hate, didn't think we made it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself and look at me, look at me. You made
it. And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Actually, today is the beginning of the end of a video that you guys are going to be watching. So today's video, you guys are going to be seeing the completion of the man cave, aka your boy garage, man. So this is a big thing for me. If you guys have been watching for a while, you guys know that ever since I bought this house, we had this raggedy ass garage in here. This garage was horrible, and you know, all the cars and stuff, you guys see the 6.4, the notchback, we got the Viper back there, and all the other cars that are currently not here at the shops and stuff. You know what I'm saying? When things would be in the garage, it'd just be like, you got nice cars in the garage, and you guys will always comment, fix the fucking garage, because the garage was just always ugly. It was just, there's no sheet rock, it was just beam showing, the paper underneath there was all brown, and it was just, it was pretty bad. There was zero sheet rock. It just looked like a fucking wooden bar man cave. It was pretty ugly, and that was one of the things that I really wanted to do. And finally I fixed up the man cave, man. I got this thing looking good. If you fuck with me, bruh, please don't fast forward. Please watch this through the entirety, go through the journey, man, the whole little process with me, because you guys will be seeing the end product once we get through the whole process. So please don't skip forward, man. Just check it out, because this is, you know, one of those things that I've been wanting to do for so long. One of the improvements, and it's finally done. So yeah, man, no further ado, let's drop.
Feeling like can't nobody tell me nothing. Yeah, the main ones talking never did this for me. Nah, had to get it the best way I knew how. They hated on me then, but they loving me now. Now that the tables have turned,
I feel like we setting the mood for you, you know what I'm saying?
now that the tables have turned,
Be in a different situation.
yeah.
Maybe we keep going. Check it out.
They never view you the same once you move out they lane. I told them to picture me rolling, but they cropped out the frame. I hopped out the game, they came back with a cheat code and beast mode. Shoot every shot but never reload. Rails always prevail, the ship is only set to sail. Try to sink me if you can, keep a cannon to feed you hell. Fare thee well, inscribe my insignia on my lapel, so they notice me, they know it's me. True teller like Chappelle, master of my own fate. From the alley shooting on crates, from getting booed at talent shows to being seen as one of the greats. Most known, unknown, the 666 of my state. Tables turn, cigars burn, glasses filled with crushed grapes. Yeah,
Feeling like can't nobody tell me nothing. Yeah. The main ones talking never did this for me. Nah, had to get it the best way I knew how. They hated on me then, but they loving me now. Now that the tables have turned,
It's like they look at you in a whole different light
now that the tables have turned,
once you finally in their sight. You know what I mean?
yeah.
Feel that?
yo. Rapper, teacher, realtor, bank account on TBD. Just bought stock in CBD, used to pay with EBT. Now I bet they seeing me make soundtracks on their TV screen. Made a couple movie scores, killing shit like Stephen King. Pops get off parole next month, gas them up and hold the pump. We'll be on the island soon, right around when winter comes. Hopefully won't need a mask, cognac pouring out that flask. Find a chick who extra bad, then count this cash on top of. Keep a toolie in the stash, I ain't in the lacking much. I ain't afraid of the hood, I don't trust these crackers much. They don't wanna see me win, see me now or see me then. But tables turn, cigars burn, garçon, see me in.
Feeling like can't nobody tell me nothing. Yeah. The main ones talking never did this for me. Nah, had to get it the best way I knew how. They hated on me then, but they loving me now. Now that the tables have turned,
We work extremely hard
now that the
to be in
tables have
position.
turned.
Stay ready, you don't have to get ready. And we ready now. Maybe
greater. From now until forever. Psychosis.
All right, what's good, my peoples? It is day 2 of the garage epoxy. So they just got here. They about to be getting on that. You guys are about to get right back into the time lapse. I am currently chilling here with Grams.
Crazy.
And then we got Makaya Bukakikaya. Hi, baby. The boop. But anywho, let's get into day 2 of the garage epoxy.
Galaxy.
Yeah. Someone at the door, John, now I'm here to stay. Tell me who the fuck gonna face the music. More brick laying, less screen time. Been cutting back on the daily usage. Long road for the road dogs, put the wind miles from a soapbox. Got BKTs on this bitch, so everybody getting rolled on, yeah. Yeah, everybody getting rolled on. Check all this credits on BMI. I'm just too kind to expose y'all. And I see a team with a ghost sign and question if y'all ever wrote songs. All enemies of mine, a band study. Please don't test me, I'ma know it all. Got platinum songs in the vault collecting dust. If we talk about showing up, then y'all attended suck. Both feet on the gas pedal, bitch, I ain't letting up. Started singing, they fell in love. Came a long way from being talentless. Be anything, I was challenged in. Pressure turned me into a precious cut. Floodlights hit a flooded chain. 30 city tour in a ton of states. I can't wait till I up the leaves from the minors in my art come of age. Seen a lot of people playing seeds to the dream, grown patient and run away. I cultivated, irrigated it, now the growth amazing. I love the change, oh yeah. Been laughed at before, been little bro, now the same one saying pass me the torch. I ain't passing y'all shit. For the skate, California license plate when I'm passing y'all in. Take that to the chin, lay back, let's succumb to it, then shit can get spicy. Ain't shit sweet cause the light skin, I don't take shit lightly. Cup tan if she like me, but can't entertain the psyche. No time for a bae, I'm too busy getting hyphy. 2 full-time jobs, when the fuck does he rest? Never when you want 10, teed up like Titleist on my friends. I'm in this shit to the end, I'm getting more with the drive to feel more on my mind, yeah. I'm still sore from the heavy lifting that I've had to do, but it's fine. How many legs I got up on a ship resembling a whole centipede? Worried one-sided with the competition. I've been residing where the rent is free. I got brothers and I got acquaintances. Why nobody is a friend of me. Fam roots deeper than an evergreen. Clear us and them, got a separate creed by any means. I'm a step past seeded. I'm in a cut with the gang. Damn, y'all can't stop the bleeding. The premonitions brought it all to life for me. 4 years of foreseeing it. Stopped asking that and let it be, cause it all happens for a reason. Someone at the door, John, now I'm here to stay. Tell me who the fuck gonna face the music. More brick laying, less screen time. Been cutting back on the daily usage. Long road for the road dogs, put the weird miles from a soapbox. Got BKTs on this bitch, so everybody getting rolled on, yeah.
Alright, what's good, my peoples? Today it is day 3 and the final day for the epoxy setup in the garage. After today, the garage will be 100% completely done. Currently, everything is in there drying. Today they're gonna be just laying the clear coat over the top of it, polishing this thing up, getting that thing to and be bling bling. But yeah, let me take y'all out here real quick so y'all can get a little look, because you know the pattern does change a little bit once it dries up. But man, it is looking dope. Woo! That is looking good. I love it, I love it, I love it. Man, this garage came a long way. You seen how beat this thing was before? Just wooden planks, looked hella dark, just ugh. All that's left, the borders right here, they're gonna be laying black along the borders. So this is gonna be done instead of painted. I wanted to have them, you know, do that, but whew. Yeah, so they should be here about 2, just let this thing fully dry up. And then after that, lay the clear coat, and then we're pretty much done with the garage and start putting cars in here. I think I'm gonna put some cabinets or something on this side. That way I can put parts and stuff up, like, you know, a little charging station for the drills, brake cleaner and all that stuff. But I kinda don't want it to be too cluttered in here. I also think I'm gonna probably put my little toolbox right here instead of over there. That way it's just easier to get the cars and stuff in and out, because before when I had a car all the way over against the wall, I was trying to maneuver around the freaking toolbox. So I think I'm gonna put that thing right here, unless I decide to get like an actual bigger toolbox and put it around right over here. But I think I'm gonna put my little one this way. But anywho, man, let's get on with day 3, the final day of the garage overhaul, and then we are officially done with everything.
this jigsaw.
Baby, would you come my way?
Wow, Eli.
Tell me as you riding, tell me as you vibing, tell me where you slide on the low. I can be a diamond, the one that you confide in, give you time and a little more. And baby girl, won't you come my way? Hop up in that plane, maybe we could spend a day somewhere in the world where it's you and just me. Where it's you and just me. And shawty, won't you come my way? Got a lot of things that I'm wanting to say. Listen, baby girl, won't you come my way? I heard she hail from Jamaica, I love it to make her queen in the natural. Got gold and purple like a Laker, I just wanna take her everywhere she wanna go. And baby, you can pick it on the atlas. I ain't about to talk about that action. Let's take a one-way trip, girl, what's happening? I just wanna see you smiling and laughing, yeah, yeah. And the cares of the world really don't find me. Long as my girl stay close round me. Baby, hold me down, never leave me lonely. And I know what you like. We gon' catch a vibe. Hold my hand and hold it tight. Hold it tight. Tell me as you riding, tell me as you vibing, tell me where you slide on the low. I can be a diamond, the one that you confide in, give you time and a little more. And baby girl, won't you come my way? Hop up in that plane, maybe we could spend a day somewhere in the world where it's you and just me. Where it's you and just me.
Oh, that's my baby, that's right beside me. You got me open when I see you, so exciting. God in love, we're standing 4 seasons. Hot time, yeah, I was playing defense. Had to approach you, something that I don't do. Ain't no limit to what I do for you. So, if you need me, you can call me. Never too busy, no. I don't wanna play no games with you. I just hit your line, come through. Said he on the way, that's my bae. Safe to say, I know what you like. We gon' catch a vibe. Hold my hand and hold it tight. Hold it tight.
Baby girl, won't you come my way? Hop up in that plane, maybe we could spend a day somewhere in the world where it's you and just me. Where it's you and just me. And shawty, won't you come my way? Got a lot of things that I'm wanting to say. Listen, baby girl, won't you come my way?
Oh, come my way. Won't you come my way?
Alright, here we go. Y'all done made it that far. The clear and everything is down, so let's go in here and get one last little look. Ooh-wee! Man, this thing has came a long way. Next thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be tying up all these wires, getting these tucked up. A lot of people are like, why don't you do the honeycomb LEDs like you see at all the wrap shops and detailers? Well, the reason why I want to do this is because all my lights right here are currently motion censored. So when I pull up into the garage or the garage opens, the lights and everything automatically turn on. That's why I don't have the fancy honeycomb LEDs that you will see at wrap shops and detailers, tent places and all that. Is for that particular reason. So yeah, man, I'm gonna just tuck these wires up and that's gonna be pretty much be that. Maybe if I can find a motion censored honeycomb setup to just put a whole honeycomb motion setup across the whole top, then I'll do it. But until then, man, I'm just happy that this is finally looking like a man cave and worthy of parking freaking the Viper and whatever else I decide to park on this side. Maybe my FD. I don't know yet. Depending on how crazy I go with the 6.4, because I am planning on going crazy. 6.4 might be here, might see 6.4 and Viper right here. But this thing has came a long way, man. This is a big accomplishment because it was always so raggedy in here. And I never thought I was gonna really do it because I was like, I don't know how long I'm gonna be at the house for. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this house. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it. But you guys are gonna be commenting almost damn near every video to fix the garage up, where I was like, you know what? I think fixing the garage up will make this just a lot better, which it definitely did. But yeah, man, I'm super happy with how this turned out. Some of y'all were saying get rid of this water heater. Yeah, that may be something I do in the future. But yeah, the white borders on the door frames, gray walls, white door, black border. Looks pretty good. Really digging it. All right, but with all that being said, man, this does have to dry. So we're gonna let this dry. And then tomorrow for the next vlog, man, y'all gonna see some cars in there. But Anywho, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, man. Appreciate y'all greatly. If you didn't, skip ahead. Y'all the real MVPs. So until next time, man. Thank y'all for always watching it and rocking with your boy. Love y'all.
I've been going too crazy. These niggas too shady. Speed limit 60.